My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2018 Volvo V40. Just over 52,000 miles with a manual transmission. Inside we have cruise control and voice control, and on our screen we can access navigation.
Next, what's going to hit you? What problem you're going to have to solve? And it's life that teaches you.
Radio and media, smartphone integration, and web browser. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. And just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.